Deep in the Malaysian jungle, a small village is tucked away in a beautiful valley. To get here from the nearest city, you have to drive for hours on treacherous terrain and winding mountain roads. During the rainy season, flooding makes it nearly impossible to drive in and out of this village. Boats become the only means of travel. The village sits next to a river that is used for fishing and transportation year-round. Alvin is a global mission pioneer serving this remote village. When he was young, Alvin's family learned about Jesus for the first time and became Adventists. Since then, he knew he wanted to share this special message with others, so he became a pioneer. When he first came to the village, it reminded him of where he grew up. The mountainous landscape felt like home. There was already one Adventist family here, but no church building to worship in. So Alvin immediately began getting to know people and spending time with them. He assists them with their work and teaches them basic English phrases. He often prays with them before visiting others. Alvin has a special place in his heart for the children. He loves teaching them and doing fun activities together. Marching and drilling is a popular activity for children in the villages in this region. Sometimes children from surrounding villages will come together to demonstrate new marches they have learned. Recently, the children in Alvin's village earned first place in a competition between 7 of the region's local schools. They are thankful for everything Alvin has taught them. Since Alvin began his ministry, a small Adventist church has been built on the hill overlooking the village. He spends a lot of time here with the children and his family, teaching, singing, and praying. Now multiple families in the village are getting to know Jesus thanks to Alvin. More than 20 people attend church on Sabbath, and the numbers keep growing. Alvin asks that you say a special prayer for his village.
One thing I ask you to pray for is the joy and happiness of the families in this village. I would also like to ask that you pray for them to always love one another, but above all, to love God.
Thank you for supporting the work of global mission pioneers like Alvin.